Hello everyone, welcome to Efficient User. So this is going to be a series of video on topic Angular tutorial for beginners. Most of my friends used to ask me can you please provide me a crash course on your website efficientuser.com, how we can easily learn Angular, or mostly they try to search in the internet we need a basic kind of tutorials so that we can quickly try out and do the things instead of having lots of theories. Can you please provide me a quick coding kind of tutorial? So this is going to be a very quick and step-by-step process of how we can learn Angular. So let's start with the what is Angular. Basically, this particular video is going to restrict with why I picked Angular, and we can see what are the course overview for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So what is Angular? It's a framework basically for building client-side application in HTML, CSS, and TypeScript. So why Angular? We can do the same thing in JavaScript or jQuery. Yes, we can complete almost all our tasks using a library called jQuery or some other frameworks. When the application becomes complex in terms of requirement, jQuery kind of library becomes hard to maintain the code. Even though we have lots of design patterns for JavaScript, it's hard for beginners to start with the design patterns. When we create a large complex application using jQuery, it becomes hard to test. To make life easier, a lots of frameworks arrived in programming world to help the programmers. So what are the benefits of Angular? It's a component-based framework which gives a clean structure for our application. It has a declarative templates which includes lots of reusable code, more testable code, supports to build lots of automated testers. Dependency injection loads different objects when it creates an instance of an object. We can write our code in either TypeScript or JavaScript. It looks like all that JavaScript can go under a TypeScript. We can discuss about it later why I added this point. Angular framework itself developed using TypeScript. So what is the action plan? In this tutorial, we are going to have a step-by-step process for each topic. It's going to be last between 5 minutes to 10 minutes kind of video, so that you can try out and what are the problems you are having, you can comment in the comment sections below. And then we can move on to the advanced topics. Basically, we will first cover the very basic topics like setting up the dev environment and creating a hello world application and moving on to the basic concepts. The plan is to help someone who are really new to the Angular. Beginners need a very simple step-by-step tutorial at early stage, so we can discuss the basic concepts with code at first. So will be the course overview. First, we will be introducing what are the various topics will be displayed. So that's the video, this one. And what is Angular and what is the architecture of Angular. Then we can discuss about setting up the environment, how you can code in your end, or how you can debug at the in your end. And what is Angular CLI. After that, we create very first Angular Hello World application. Then structure of Angular project. What are the various files available? What at a beginner level, what are the things you need to know, must know. Then we move on to the very basic concepts like a decorator, lifecycle components, templates, directive services, dependency injection, etc. Once we covered all these things, we move on to the advanced topic, something like performance optimization, how an enterprise application should look like, how we can add a auth kind of services. So stay connected with the videos and try to subscribe and share it with your friends. So all your subscriptions will motivate me to continue this course for next 2 to 3 weeks or based on the timelines. So keep supporting and thanks for watching. Peace.